Old homes with uneven floors can be a real headache, especially when you've tried quick fixes and still feel like you're stuck with a wonky floor situation. So here's the deal. If your 1,434 square foot house built over a century ago has floors that aren't level and the crawlspace experts use jacks but didn't really change much, that probably means you're dealing with something deeper than just surface problems. First, check if your floors tilt in one direction or wobble in multiple spots. That tells a different story. Look for cracks around windows, doors, foundations, or footings, because those are classic signs of house settlement. Doors and windows that won't close right or look slanted? Yeah, that is also a red flag for ongoing foundation shifts. Settlement is normal, but usually slows way down after 5 to 7 years from when the house was built, so if it's still moving, it's worth a closer look. Waiting until after your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is installed might make sense because major floor work could disrupt new ductwork or systems. But before doing anything major like jacking the house again, get a structural engineer involved. They're the real pros who can figure out if your soil or foundation needs serious attention. Bonus tip: try to find a structural engineer who works with geotechnical engineers because soil issues often cause settlement, and having both experts on the same team can save you time and money. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with uneven floors in old homes is trusting quick fixes from contractors who don't fully diagnose the problem. They might jack up the floor only for it to settle again because the root cause wasn't addressed. Fix: always get a thorough assessment from a structural engineer before any repair work starts. Another common issue is ignoring signs of foundation damage, like cracks or misaligned doors, which can lead to more costly problems down the line. Fix this by documenting and showing these signs to your engineer so they have the full picture. Lastly, trying to fix floors before installing major systems like heating and cooling can cause wasted effort or damage. Fix this by planning your HVAC installation and structural repairs together with your contractor's advice, so everything fits without extra headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and have good reviews. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by matching them with real projects nearby, making sure everyone wins without the usual stress of searching around.